Hello everyone, Dark Dimensions Haunted House here with another Spirit Halloween prop. This one is this Walking Dead zombie teddy bear girl zombie prop. This is from 2012 from Spirit Halloween, made by Morbid Enterprise. Unfortunately, Morbid Enterprise is no longer a company. I forget when they went out of business. But anyways, this is one of the Walking Dead zombies, played by Addie Miller. You can see the details right here of the mouth. She was from The Walking Dead, the pilot episode. Anyways, she's one of the roaming props, where she's on this base right here, kind of like some of the Chucky doll props and other props that roll around. So Jen's gonna put the battery in and we're gonna check her out. Alright, so on our prop we had a few issues. Everything that works on her is in this base right here. I'm going to show you the next part where we open it up and we fix the issues that we're having with her. Alright, so I'm fixing this prop right here. This piece is the on and off switch. What I'm doing is it's messed up, so I'm jumping it by just touching. Trying to get it seen right here. Jumping it right there. And bypassing it, and that's working. This, I believe, is the sensor, and it was kind of dirty, so I cleaned that up. Then you have the wheels that spin that move the prop. So I had to replace the rubber band right there because it was too loose. And then I marked right here with a Sharpie on both wheels so you can see it spinning. I'm gonna jump it again. And there you can see that it's spinning. The prop also inside has these little sandbags, weighted bags to hold the prop down. So there you can see you have the speaker, the sensor, the on and off switch. There's the brains of this, and then you have the wheels that spin. And these other wheels on here, they're dirty, so I cleaned out the carpet hairs on it. I need to clean out some more on that one so it'll roll better. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is Dark Dimensions Haunted House.